Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you blockchain.com not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store, and then on the search bar simply type in blockchain wallet, and then once it loads, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But for some reason, if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head back to your home screen and then tap on the settings, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Now once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage. Now inside iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll down until you find the blockchain app and then simply tap on it. Now on tapping, you'll be provided with two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app that might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once the process is complete, all you gotta do is go back and then try again, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.